Minista makoretwo makigomana thingira-ini wa iregi na nikigomano kiria gikugomithanitio ni mutongoria wa bururi orundumwe na munini wake hamwe na nyabara Minista nyabara ni Musalia Mudavadi na kuria mutongoria wa bururi ni Dagitari William Ruto akionekete gukorwo akiruta mukana mururu kuri a minista othe aria magukorwo makiregeria kana magukorwo makiregeria utungata-ini wa muingi orundumwe na gukorwo makigeranio hindi iyo kana maikorirwo magikiranira thairi kadra wa muingi leo ni mwandiki witu Mobi wa Munyiri.
Ari mieri 11 kuma riria maminista thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza mehitithirio gutwika aramati ya ministry itiganite. Umuthi maminista aya nimagomanire thiini wa thingira wa iregi mihango-iini ya guikira Ngirimiti cia murutire wa wira thiini wa ministry ciao.
The exercise commenced with the development of the performance.
Akiruta ndumiriri ya Kenya Farao wa maminista Musalia Mudavadi augite muoroto wa Ngirimiti no ni guteithiriria minista gubanga bajeti na mitaratara ngurani ya mirutire ya wira niguo gutigirira ni makinyithia motungata makinyaniru hari muingi.
Strategic initiatives based on the of an agenda better derived from the Kenya Kwanza manifesto. The aim is to capitalize on the gains already made from implementation of public sector reforms to spur socio-economic development. Contracting is one of the fundamental performance management tools being implemented in the public service. This prized tool continuously for the last 19 years.
Athieta na mbere na kuga ofisi yake nirathugunda watho wa utungati kuri muingi niguo gutigirira minista matinagonderera wira-ini wao kwambatiria ngathi aruti a wira honge cia muingi na watho wa kuoya mawoni ma muingi itemi-ini ria guthikiriria kana motungata ni maramakinyira na njira nginyaniru ta uria mathitwo ni gatiba.
Second, my office has initiated the development of a public service management bill that seeks to streamline and standardize performance management in the public sector. It will provide a framework for rewarding meritocracy and performance on ineptitude and discouraging non-performance.
Ne wake President Ruto atariria niguo gutigirira muingi ni wakinyirwo ni ciraniro iria thirikari yake yamerire no nginya minista mamakinyirie motungata niguo bururi withemane na mathina maria maramagomera ihinda kwa ihinda kamieke ya wira kuri muingi.
Are the ultimate employers of all of us. They pay our salaries, they pay our allowances, and because they do, they legitimately demand of us that we meet our commitments.
Atariria honge iria ibatie kuongererwo kio ni ruhonge rwa urimi na ugima mwega wa mwiri na kurumirira uno nginya atongoria a honge ici magie na wigiririkia mawira-ini mao na metheme na ungumania wa kigina kia muingi. Arikitie na kwirira muingi wa bururi gukinyaniria ciraniro iria ciothe amerire hindi ya gwetha kura.
The commitments we made, the promises we made, we will keep each and everyone in full. We actualize what we committed ourselves to.
Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV Titawa Mobi wa Munyiri.
Felt by
Ngatho cia